Hello everybody, live market rundown from Monday the 11th of September. Started the week off great with the first bootcamp call. Was really awesome to see you guys. It truly is such a pleasure to talk and meet you guys because this is just the stuff that I would love to talk about anyway. So it's just so nice to be able to share the passion because I can feel you guys also have the passion for this. So that is just such a good time. All right, let's get into the charts because there are a lot of things going on right now. As you can see on USD JPY, 4 hour made its higher high with a 1 hour break of structure. Now we're just waiting for this impulse to slow down, come into a correction, and then take the shorts. As you know, gaps in the market, as this is very clear, we have a pretty rare size of a gap. They usually fill. So I was thinking this might correct up, wick into this to close it off, and then come down. USD CAD is about to make its confirmed 4 hour higher high with a 1 hour break of structure. Once this happens, we will be able to sell. But we have to take care because the fact is the 4 hour is still bullish. So this is the 4 hour higher low, as you can see right here. But also something quite interesting is the fact that the daily has reached its fib extension. So the probabilities of this level to be taken out is actually quite high. But we'll take some shorts, wait for it to react. If it doesn't, we'll just keep on shorting further down. Australian dollar, US dollar, the daily has reached its fib extension. The 4 hour did as well. And then it broke structure as it tends to do on the 1 hour. So now we're waiting for this impulse to come down slowly and then come up. The gap has already been closed here, so it might actually not come all the way down here. This definitely does look like a nice area of interest because there's some imbalance on this leg, but we'll have to see how that evolves. Euro AUD has started its move on the 4 hour. We still have all this way left on the 4 hour, so we're just looking at the 1 hour because this impulse is definitely going hard. But the moment you get some corrective moves up here, we'll be able to short on the 1 hour all the way into the 4 hour fib extension. GBP USD, the daily has reached its fib extension, so we know it will start correcting quite soon. So I'm actually expecting this 4 hour level to break. But before that, more relevant for right now is the fact that 4 hour has also reached its fib extension and broke structure on the 1 hour. So now we're waiting for the 1 hour to correct down. The moment this forms the setup, we'll be buying on the 15 minute, not on the 1 hour, because the one above, speaking of the 1 hour, is the 4 hour, which is bearish. So don't buy against the one above, but you can buy on the 15 minute in line with the 1 hour. Euro USD, about to break structure on the 1 hour. A lot of buys to be made in this 4 hour correction. GBP AUD has started its move, waiting for the 1 hour to go up and then short it. Let me change this to an actual entry and put this on the other watch list. Boom. Gold. Gold is quite interesting because the 4 hour is bullish and correcting. But it seems this correction might be over soon because the daily is definitely reacting very bullishly and the 1 hour is about to break structure. So once this gives out, we'll be buying on gold. NZD, USD, 4 hour is bearish but correcting, meaning the 1 hour is bullish. Just seems to have finished its 1 hour higher high. We'll see if it starts to correct, but if it does start to correct, we'll be able to buy on the 15 minute in line with the 1 hour trend into a 4 hour potential lower high. Or this level could actually be broken as the daily has already reached its fib extension. Now, the setups that are happening right now, GBP JPY, we have already discussed. 1 hour sells into the 4 hour fib extension. Euro CAD, exactly the same thing. 1 hour sells into the 4 hour fib extension. Some liquidity up here, quite interesting. We'll see how that goes. Euro AUD, also already discussed. The 1 hour needs to correct up in here now. Let me see on the daily. Daily we don't have imbalance. On the 4 hour we do have two levels of imbalance right here and right here. So those could be the levels that hold, giving us entries on the 1 hour. GBP AUD, exactly the same thing as the last one was Euro AUD. This is GBP AUD. So again, 4-hour imbalance right here, waiting for the 1-hour correction, and then sells into the 4-hour fib extension. So as you guys can tell, we're actually starting the week with quite a packed watch list, which obviously is what I like. So I'll keep you guys updated, and best of luck in the markets.